Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we are at Peppa Pig Interactive Day celebration which is happening in Singapore at Marina Square Mall. So I will drop the link where you can purchase the tickets for this because it is a paid one, and also I will post the complete address. This is in the level 3 Marina Square Mall. So let's get into the video. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you because it's been very long. I haven't made any videos in the recent times. So this video is going to be a very fun filling video, especially for kids. So as you can see, this one we bought ticket for myself and my daughter because it's quite expensive. So we just decided like two of us will go because we need someone to take care of the kid. And this is how it looks. So they have couple of the games that is aligned with Peppa Pig themes. So as you see, here is a puzzle where they have to arrange based on the animals, and then on the other side they have lot of puzzles with alphabets and also with plus minus symbols. So it's like quite interesting for the kids. As you can see, the kids is very well enjoying, and also they have couple of slides which is also in line with the Peppa Pig themes. Anything you take like in matter of like color or the theme or the props they use, everything is like all like a Peppa Pig. So it's like a mini Peppa Pig land that you are in. And they have this train kind of thing where the kids can crawl like how the Peppa Pigs will do in their show. So it's very interesting, and this is how it started. So they have this kind of sponge and slide toys kind of thing. Then they will direct you to go this side where they have muddy puddles, and kids really enjoyed it. And once the muddy puddle is over, the kids are directed to go through this path where it leads to next attraction, which is like you can see mommy pig and a daddy pig. It's a huge toy. The kids are taking photos here, and also they can very well easily connect with all the things here. Like you see, they are all like everyone is enjoying because wherever they see, they can see that they are in the Peppa Pig land itself. So this train, like it's like nothing is harmful here because it's all made for kids, and there are like many stops for every place. At least 2 or 3 dedicated staffs are there. They are taking care of the kids very well, so no need to panic. Even if you want, you can send the kids alone also, but that's totally up to you, as long as the kid is mature. And then it goes to a maze like this, so it has both wrong direction as well as right direction. So it's a kind of fun for the kids to find the right direction. And once a kid find the right direction, it leads to a big hall. So this is like a Peppa Pig living area, living neighborhood. So whatever you can see in the show, you can see here. So you have Peppa Pig, the rabbit, Mr. Rabbit and Mrs. Rabbit here, and also the police. And you can see the police here, Police Peppa. And you can see the grocery store, you can see the game area, and you can see some laborers working here. I guess it's hippopotamus. So this area is like keep on going like this. There are a lot of steps. So you can see Tanishka is waving for Mrs. Rabbit and baby rabbit. And then followed by this, actually she enjoyed going back and seeing all those areas where the police will come from, and also the grocery and all. Then followed by that, there is a basketball court. It's a tiny one, and the ball is also like very soft ball, so the kids can play themselves. And Tanishka is trying hard to put it, but she can't do it actually because the coat is little bit in a taller distance, so she can't do it. Then comes the Peppa Pig, mommy pig and the daddy pig with their car. So kids will definitely love taking pictures because this is going to be a very good memory for them. The one thing I could say is like whatever they see in the show, right? So exactly it is here. So it's like more than enjoying seeing the show, the kids will definitely enjoy here. And then this is almost the final area of play. So here comes a ball pit, and they allow only 4 kids at a time. Only the kids are allowed inside, not the parents, and because they have their own staff who will take care of the kids. And the play area for every round is only 5 minutes, so the kids have 5 minutes to play inside, and then they have to come out. If they wanted to take another round, they have to queue up and they have to come. So that's how it works. And here this when going to the exit, right, they have placed very beautiful pictures from various scenes of Peppa Pig, and it covers all the stories whatever you see so far in Peppa Pig, right? So it covers all the stories: Peppa Pig Muddy Puddle, Peppa Pig hospitals, everything. And finally there is a live Peppa Pig who gives photos for everyone. So this is also a very coolest thing. All the kids were enjoying to take the pictures with the Peppa. And then finally comes to the commercial part. Yes, they have their own outlet where they sell all the Peppa Pig kind related stuffs. So everything they have, the sets, the plush toys, and lot of other stuff. So it's really nice. Please and enjoy the day. And this play area is only there till mid of 13th of February. So please go ahead and book yourself. Thank you.